Good morning, dear students. In the previous lecture, we have just learned how to explore the computer, how to change the setting of the computer with the help of the control panel, what is the narrator, and anything else. Now we will learn how we use the recommended setting. Recommended setting means get recommendation to make your computer easier to use. If the user wishes to accept these recommendations, he can do so by clicking on the relevant checkbox, thus allowing total flexibility in the customization. It means to say user can change the setting according to his choice. If the user want to increase the speed of click of the mouse, then he can enhance the speed. If the user want to decrease the speed of the mouse click, then he can decrease. So explore all settings. Dear students, this section helps in optimizing the setting for person who is blind or has several impairment vision. If a person have a capacity to see in a very low and his vision is very low, then we will use the explore all setting. Turn on the narrator, turn on the audio description, turn off the all necessary animations. How long should window notification dialog boxes stay open? How many of times the dialog is open and how much of time it will be opened on the screen. So make the computer system easier to see. First of the important thing, computer system easier to see. This is important task to explore all setting. So this section helps in optimizing the setting for visual display. It displays the following option like adjust the color and transparency of the window, fine-tune display effect, make the focus rectangle thicker, set the thickness of the blinking cursor and remove background images. Now third one, use the computer without a mouse or keyboard. It is very important. If you have not a mouse, then your numeric keypad work like as your mouse. Now this section helps in setting alternatives for input devices. Windows provides two features as alternative for the common input devices, mouse and keyboard, which are speech recognition and on-screen keyboard. It means to say you can open on-screen keyboard if you are unable to run the physical keyboard of the computer. So use on-screen keyboard, use speech recognition. If you have mic, then you can use speech recognition. This will recognize your voice and message the word which you have told to computer and open that particular item. Next one, make the mouse easier to use. We can manage the setting of the mouse or other pointing devices. Very often the mouse pointer is not easily visible on the white background of the work area or certain parts of the ribbon. Change the color and size of the mouse pointer. We want to change the color, size, style of the mouse pointer. Turn on mouse keys, mouse key turn on. Activate a window by hovering over it with the mouse. Prevent windows from being automatically arranged when moved to the edges of the screen. So dear students, this is the way how we can make the mouse easier to use. Next one, make the keyboard easier to use. It means to say adjust the setting of the keyboard. Turn on mouse key. If you are not keyboard, if your keyboard is not working, then turn off left, right, up and down keys. Okay, so turn off on the mouse keys. Turn on the sticky key. Okay, instead of pressing 3 keys at once, all control delete, you can use one key for turning on sticky key. Okay, all control delete, you are using 3 key, but if you don't want to use the 3 key, then you can open the sticky key. Turn on toggle key. The caps lock key, num lock key and scroll lock keys are toggle keys. Okay, turn on filter key. Turning on filter key will make the computer recognize multiple key presses as a single key press. Turn on bounce key. Okay students, while filter key avoid problem in case of accidental multiple depression of a key, sometimes we may wish to press a key more than once. Turn on repeat key and slow keys. Use text or visual alternatives for sound. This one is very important. How will we work it? For those who have difficulty in hearing, Windows provides alternative where one can choose to have visual clues instead of sound. Next one, make it easier to focus on task. How we can use enlarge the our screen with the help of magnifier, decrease the zoom in and zoom out facility of the magnifier. So this is the way, these all are the way by which we can change the setting of our computers. Explore all setting, change the setting of the mouse, change the keyboard of the mouse. If the keyboard is not working, then you can open the on-screen keyboard. With the help of on-screen keyboard you can work very fast. Where if your mouse is not working, then you will change your arrow key like a mouse. Make it easier to focus on task. Suppose magnifier tool, focus, zoom in and zoom out option. So student, this is the first part, you session 1 of chapter 2 web application. Now we will, next lecture we will start the next chapter, the networking. Thank you, have a nice day.